Hello student, welcome once again in our standard 6 mathematics lesson number 6 integers exercise number 6.1. Questions are here. Write the opposite of the following: increase in weight 30 km north, 326 BC, loss of 700 rupees, 100 meter above sea level. Student, this is the integers lesson. Integer is a numbers which includes positive number, negative number and 0. So opposite means whatever the plus then minus. So we can say increase then means a decrease. North then opposite direction is south. Very good students. So like that way we can find the answers just now afterwards. First see the question number 2. Represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate signs. See students, sign means plus sign or negative sign, minus sign. There is no need to show the plus sign, but negative compulsory. An aeroplane is flying at a height 2000 meters above the ground. Yes, we are knowing aeroplane is flying in the sky above on the ground. Yes, very good student. So it will be a positive sign. A submarine is moving at a depth 8000 meters below the sea level. Sea level means the sea is there. Yes, and then after under the water. Yes, it is under the water. A deposit of rupees 200 rupees. Deposit means you may be not knowing about this word. Deposit and withdraw. Two words are related with bank. Have you visited any time bank, students? No. So take the time and take the visit anytime. Deposit means we can keep the money in the bank, in our account, and afterwards bank will give us an interest. Whenever we need money, we can take out money from the bank. It's called the withdrawal. Yes, my dear students, that was the answer here. Withdrawal of rupees 700. So addition, when we are keeping something in our piggy bank, that is an addition, plus. We are taking out, that means a minus. Yes, my dear students, it is so easy. Questions are here. Represent the following number on number line. Yes, my dear students, here you can show these numbers on number lines. It's a very easy question. You are knowing how to draw the number line. Yes, correct. So here you can show plus 5, minus 10, plus 8, minus 1 and minus 6. See the fourth question. Adjacent figure is a vertical number line representing integers. Observe it and locate the following points. See here adjacent means nearby, side. One vertical number line there. Generally we are drawing our horizontal number line, but in questions there is no space, so they are showing this way. So don't misunderstand these things. It is possible. See, points, numbers are written A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and numbers are written 0, then after plus 8. That means you can just count through 1 to 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the upside positive, downside negative. Yes, my dear students, according to this we can find out fatafat. A is, if point D is plus 8, then which point is minus 8? Just count from that. Just I want to show you one answer only here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. F. On the F, minus 8 is there. Yes, student? Correct. F. Like that way we can find out the answers very easily. Look at the next question. Following is the list of temperatures of 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. Place and temperature. Siachen, 10 degrees centigrade below 0 degrees centigrade. Have you heard this word anytime, students? Simla, 2 degrees centigrade below 0 degrees centigrade. Ahmedabad, 30 degrees centigrade above 0 degrees centigrade. Yes, this is the temperature. You are maybe heard in news or newspaper. Yes, news channel also is there. Or some books also you can found these types of things. 0 is middle. On the top side it is a positive numbers, and then after downside negative numbers. And red color or a silver color mercury is filled in this thermometer. When temperature is increased, it will go up, and temperature is decreased, it will move down. 0 degree means a very cold thing. Yes, ice become at 0 degree temperature. Water convert into ice at 0 degree centigrade. So you may be heard about Simla, Siachen, that are in the Jammu and Kashmir. In Jammu and Kashmir, Kashmir is having the snowfall. Yes, ice. Yes, there water, no water. There's a ice everywhere, ice. And then after minus degree, when you open your fridge, you can feel cold or hot. Cold waves are coming from the fridge. And when you open the freezer, oh, very cold, too much cold. In freezer only ice become. In the downside, in fridge cannot possible. Freezer need more degree temperature, less 0 degree below. Okay, Delhi is there and Srinagar. We can write A. Write the temperature of these places in the form of integer in the blank column, minus or plus. When below minus and above, that means plus. B. Following the number line representing the temperature in degrees Celsius. Degree Celsius is the unit of measuring temperature. Is it or not, student? Yes, correct. Look at here, positive and negative. It is here now in horizontal way. Right side positive number, left side negative number, and middle 0. Plot the name of the city against its temperature. Yes, very good, students. Here all the numbers are written. Up to 40 positive and up to minus 25 negative numbers are there. We can write it here in our solutions. Look at here, which is the coolest placed. Coolest means which has the less, below 0 degree temperature. More, it's the coolest place. Minus 10, no, minus 20 is the coolest. 20 and 10. 20 is the coolest. Okay, good. Write the names of the place where temperature are above 10 degree centigrade. Very simple. कौन से place के name है? You can just see the questions and write down the answers. Easy lesson or hard? Easy. Yes, very good. Now each of the following pair, which number is to the right of the other on the number line? 2 will be coming on right, or 9 will become on right side? Yes, 9 will come on the right side of 2. Minus 3 and minus 8. Here ulta. Whenever minus sign you can find, you can write small number on right side. See, here I am showing. Number line. Minus 15 and minus 5. Or minus 20 and minus 5. Who is coming on right side? Minus 20 or minus 5? Yes. Comparing this both one, minus 5 on the right side. Yes? Correct. So comparing here 5 and 30. Who is coming on here? This is not plus sign or minus sign. That is a no sign given, that means plus. 5 is on left side and 30 on right side. Clear? So bigger number is here, this way. But whenever minus, smaller number is the right side. Correct. Write all the integers between the given pairs. Yes, very good, student. We have to write the numbers in increasing order also. So here it is given here 0 to minus 7. Minus 4 to 4. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. That's a B answer. Clear? 0 to minus 7. Who is the smaller? minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Between they are asked. That's why we are not collecting 0 and minus 7. Understood? Correct. 8th question. Write 4 negative integers greater than minus 25. Infinite numbers are there. You can write any numbers. But they are saying negative greater than minus 20. Yes, my dear student, be careful. Don't start for minus 21, minus 22, minus 23. Minus number greater, that means we have to write smaller number. Minus 19, minus 16, minus 14, minus 8. These are the greater than minus 20. Yes. Write 4 negative integers less than minus 10. Yes, this time you have to write a bigger number than minus 10. Minus 15, minus 20, minus 13, minus 24, etc. Infinite. Countless. Question 9. For the following statements, write the true or false. Your favorite question is here. Minus is to the right of minus 10 on a number line. Yes, correct. Right, you are right. Yes, it is the smaller minus numbers. It's on always right side. Minus 100 is the right of minus 50 on number line. Sorry, this is the wrong answer. False. Smallest negative number is minus 1. Correct? Yes, correct. Minus 26 is the larger than minus 25. Sorry, once again, it's smaller. 10. Draw a number line and answer the following. Draw a number line will we reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2. You have to stand on minus 2, then after right side 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like this way. I want to show you. This is a number line. We are standing on minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, etc. Isn't it? Okay, you are there on 2. You are standing here on 2. 4 steps. So here you jump 1, 2, 3 and 4. 0, 1, 2. 0, 1 and 2. You reach on the 2. Yes or no? Easy. Like that way you can solve the answer. See, the answers are here. Increase then decrease weight 30 km north to south. BC 326 BC opposite AD. Anno Domini and before Christ. You may be hear these words in your social studies. Loss then means profit. Yes, you are right, my dear students. And below and above sea level. Numbers, whenever it's a positive, we can write positive, above and below. Plane is flying on the plus side, above, meters. And submarine under, minus sign, 1800 meters. Deposit means plus 200 rupees. Negative means withdraw 700 rupees. Yes, very good students. See, number lines are written here and you are showing 5 on number line with the arrow. B. Minus 10 on left side. Yes, my dear students. You can show it like this way. You can put the arrow both sides, no problem. C. 8 is on here. Is it easy or hard? Can you draw number line with the help of? Yes, good question. Good question. Can you write directly? No. You should have to use pencil and scale. Yes, put putty. Correct. An equal distance. In your scale numbers are written, you can select that way. It will be helpful to you. Yes, my dear students, answers are here, number lines. And I said which point having the minus 8, that is a F. Yes, that B answer is negative. C, B is equal to plus 4 above the 0. And below the 0, E is minus 10. And E, last one is a T, C, B, A, O, H, G, F, E. Yes, my dear student, here we are showing a temperature in positive or negative numbers. Positive means Siachen below 10 degree to 0 degree. That means minus 10. Above means plus 30. Ahmedabad 30, Delhi 20 and Srinagar is this much. B number line you can draw, already given, and we should have to write these numbers exactly on number line with the name of the place. Yes, my dear student, here is the places Siachen, Srinagar, Shimla, Delhi and Ahmedabad. Who is the coolest place? left side place is the CH. That's why its answer is CH. Correct answer. Good student. D. Who is the highest one? Yes, about 10 degree. Yes, that's a Delhi and Ahmedabad. 9 is to right side to 2, 0 is to right side to -1, 6 is on right side to -6, -3 is the right side on -3. That is the main question here. 10 is the right side of -11. Yes, 1 plus and 1 minus, that's always plus numbers on the right side. If 0 and minus number, 0 always on the right side. Yes, 1 is the right to the -1. See, I already said -7 to 0. And in increasing order, smaller number is -6, -1 is not a smaller. Think about. Positive number you are knowing very well. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Correct? Good. Here you had the -19, -18, -17, -16. Any numbers you can write. Infinite are there. You can write only 4. Yes. Just we discussed true, false, false, false. Yes. Now main question is here 10A. I said you are on 2. So starting position is 2. And how many jumps you have to move? And which direction? Right direction. 4 step. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Where you reach here, beta? 2. Yes, you can say when you are moving on right side, it is a -2 and you are moving, that means right side means plus. So 4 minus 2, answer is 2. So you will reach on 2. Yes or no? Yes. Regarding second one, you are on 1. Standing on 1 and moving on left side, how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 steps. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Is it? Yes. So you are on 1 and moving on left side, that means minus, and how many jumps you did? 5. So 1 minus 5 will give me answer -4. Yes, my dear student. One number positive, one number negative, that means a subtraction. 5 में से 1 को minus करना है, 1 में से 5 को नहीं करना है. Yes. So who has the minus sign or plus sign? Answer, which is the greater one? 5 is greater than 1 and 5 has the minus sign. That's why -4 is the answer. Correct? Understood? Anyone has doubt? No doubt? Okay. And left side, it will be moving, and right side, positive means right side. Is it? Now look at here, exercise 6.2. Questions are here. Integer lesson is so easiest lesson. Using the number line, write the integer which is 3 more than 5. I just showing in last questions, you should have to write right side. Here more, that means right side. Less means left side. Clear? This thing you have to keep it in your mind. 3 more than 5. 5 more than -5. See. This is your number line. You are on -5. Where you are on 5, -5 पे खड़े बेटा. And how many you have to move? 5 more. More means right side jump करना है. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Where you reach here? On 0. Let's see check. -5 and +5. What will be the answer beta? 0. Yes, according to the mathematics and according to the number line, our both answer are right. That's why there is no chance to lose the marks. Next one, use number line and add the following. Yes, now just now I showed that method, we can use it here. Number line and addition we can do together. So 9 plus -6. 9 में से 6 गया, कितना आंसर आएगा बेटा? 3. You are knowing very well. But what is the sign, positive or negative? 9 has a positive sign, 6 has a negative sign. And it is custom. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि प्लस साइन दिखाओ, नहीं है इसका मतलब है प्लस साइन. ओके, सो आंसर विल बी इज ए प्लस साइन, प्लस साइन. सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. 5 plus -11. दोनों नंबर पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव, तो सब्ट्रैक्शन होगा बेटा. बड़े में से छोटे को माइनस करो. 11 में से 5 गया, कितना बचा बेटा? 11 में से 5 गया 6. Yes, correct. You are right. Yes. But what the sign will come here? Yes, you are right. Minus 6 is the answer because 11 is a bigger number and 11 has the minus sign. Good. Add without using number line directly. Just now I said that way you can do and find out the solution. What is the answer? Yes, suppose they are both negative number, then both positive number, answer is positive, but both negative, what we have to do? Yes, my dear student, you are right. If both are negative, you can add them and keep the minus sign. Yes, very good, very good. Find the sum also. 2 numbers are given. We can find out. We are knowing the method. 3 numbers are there. Don't worry. Addition, subtraction we are knowing. Same sign. Add up. Negative, negative को एक साथ ले लो. Positive, positive को एक साथ ले लो. Plus, minus को तो बात खत्म. Find the value here. 4 numbers are given. Don't worry about that one. Oh, students, easy one. Yes, the answers are here. I shown here na 8. 5. You are in 5. Jumping on right side. More 3. 3 more than 5. 5 पे खड़े हैं बेटा. दूसरे नंबर पे खड़े रहो और 5 3 steps लगा दो उधर. 1 2 3. 3 more. 5 more from minus 5. 0 is the answer. Yes, we already did. Minus 4. कहाँ पे खड़े बेटा? 2 पे खड़े हैं. कितने जंप लगाने का है? 1 2 3 4 5 6 जंप. 6 on less. 6 less on 2. Yes. Minus 5. 3 steps. Minus 2 to 3 steps. See, 9 plus minus 6. Where you are standing? First of all, you have to move on 9. पहले जंप पे आप 9 पे चले गए बेटा. 9 पे खड़े हैं बेटा. Yes, very good. And minus 6 करना है. Minus means you are knowing which side you have to go. Left side. कितने steps है बेटा? 6. Count करो. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. You will reach it here. Or jumping. This is small jump. Yes, 6 jumps are there. Correct. Here they are showing first number is plus 9. That means you are moving directly on 9. Clear? See the next question. Where you are have to go first? On 5. And minus 11. Again you have to move on left side. 11 steps. And answer is 6. In circle it is given. Look at here. First of all you have to move on minus 1. अब 0 से minus 1 पे चला गया पहले. फिर बाद में minus 7 दिया. Minus 7 means left side you have to move. So minus 1 and minus 7 gives you a minus 8. Both numbers are minus. I just said add both one. Minus 5 plus 10. First of all you move on minus 5. Then after jump 10 steps on right side. On number line you can show it. Answer is 5. 3 numbers are there. Don't worry. First you can move over your minus 1. So आप minus 1 पे आ गए बेटा. You are on first minus 1. Then after you have to jump minus 2 on left side. एक और 2 jump लगा दिए बेटा. You will reach on minus 3. Now you are standing here on minus 3. Again you have to jump more 3 left side. 3 steps. 1, 2 and 3. Answer is minus 6. Or add up yourself. You will get the correct answer. Yes. So here 1 positive number. Negative numbers are there. 2 negative and 1 positive. First of all, what we can start? Minus 2. So minus 2 का मतलब है बेटा you can start from here 0. 0 से start किया minus 2 पे खड़ा रह गया. You will reach on minus 2. Yes. Then after plus 8. So 8 step आपको right side जाना है. Step don't do directly. 1 by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 और 8. अब you can reach on 6 पे आ गया बेटा. ये आंसर आ गया 6. Positive 6. Again minus 4. Minus 4 means बेटा प्लस आगे कोई बात नहीं रहने दो प्लस को. Minus 4 means right side or left side? Yes, left side. कितना steps? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 में से 4 गया. कितना बचा बेटा? 2. The answer is 2. Correct? Very good. So without doing number line, you can find out the answers. Whenever positive and negative, it gives you a negative answers. So 7 is a negative. 11 minus 7 gives me a 4. Minus 13 plus 18. One positive number, one negative number. Subtraction will be possible. So it should be a 5. Not negative 5 because 18 is greater number. Third one also correct. Fourth one also like that way. Fifth one. both numbers are negative, minus 380 and minus 270. We have to add up and give the answer minus 650, but sign remain as it is, minus, negative sign. Good. Here plus sign is there, beta. Don't worry, negative sign. This is a negative sign. Typing mistake. Next one also same process. Correct. See, the four numbers are there. Don't worry about four number. Whenever you are having positive, negative multiplication is there. These are the multiply. So answer is negative. Negative multiplied by positive, answer is negative. But when both are positive, answer is positive. If both are negative, answer is positive. Keep it in your mind. This is the Andeka Funda. What you will keep it in your mind? Whenever both the number are positive or negative, answer is positive. See, this is not addition. This is the multiplications. Addition का दूसरा फंडा है, बराबर है? Subtraction का. Yes. 37 minus 2 minus 65 minus 8. सबको minus वाले को एक साथ ले लो बेटा. 37 minus 75, correct? And minus 38 is the answer, because we can subtract like this way. 75 and 35, 37 को उसको minus किया बेटा, 38 answer आया. But who is the bigger number? Minus number is there, and this is the positive number. Bigger number में से smaller number कर दे दो. Bigger number कौन है बेटा? This one. So answer is minus 38. And here 20 and 16. Bigger number is, yes, 4. This is the plus sign, not need, but this is a minus sign. So plus sign is here. No need to show the plus sign, beta. Okay, correct. Look at here. Exercise 6.3. Very easy one. We will move very fast. Subtraction. Addition जैसे कि ऐसे subtraction करना बेटा. Fill in the blanks. Less than, greater than, or equal to sign. Good, good, very good, beta. Very good. Fill in the blanks. Your favorite one. For the find the answers. See the questions. Minus 20 from 35. 15 is there. You can know very well how to do it. Both numbers are negative. You have to add up and keep the same sign. But here you should be careful. For this question, two numbers are written, but here minus sign is there. Minus minus plus 40. Be careful here. See here also. Here also. आगे minus दिया बेटा, तो minus minus plus. Just now I showed on Andeka Funda. Yes, no? Correct. Then second step you are knowing very well. Here who is the bigger and who is the smaller? We can say like that way, plus and minus. So here plus and minus means minus 9, and here minus minus plus. So answer is minus 9, and here plus 3. Who is greater? Minus number or? This is the answer. Should have to find out. Don't do directly. Here you have to find out. 20 में से कितना गया? 21 में से 10 गया. Minus करना है. Minus minus plus हो गया, तो minus 11. Yes, my dear student. And right side, both are minus. So minus 42. And we are knowing smaller number is greater than whenever both the numbers are negative. Understood? Correct. Look at here. What if you can add to become a 0, negative 5, negative minus 8? 8 only. Plus 13, answer is 0. What is the addition? Minus 13. Correct. 12, 0 answer चाहिए तो minus 12 कर दो बेटा. Minus 4 and minus 12 चाहिए तो क्या करेंगे? You can add minus 8. 5 minus 10 करें, 15 करेंगे तो you will get a minus 10. Last answer, but be careful. This is the very important question. 3 numbers are given, plus minus. You have to keep it side. Whenever the numbers are given in bracket and before the minus sign, you can make it a plus sign. Isn't it? Correct. Now, this minus minus 15 and 25. One number positive, one number negative. You can do it subtraction. 25 में से 15 गया, 10 is the answer. But 25 is the plus sign. That's why answer is plus. Easy? Will you do yourself others one? Yes, that's the spirit. And you can solve here all the sums of exercise 6.1, 6.2 and 6.3. Now it's time to say bye. But be careful, stay at home, be safe. Bye bye.